What's up, you guys? So, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Quick Shift. Today, a lot of you guys been asking me like what I've done to the car, my car, the Mini Cooper S.
You have to say the S.
Yeah, the Mini Cooper S.
Okay.
So, without further ado, we're going to show you what I've done to the engine mostly.
It's right behind you.
Well, right behind you,
Yeah,
not right
behind
behind
you.
you.
Yeah,
Not
not
my
us.
me.
I
Yeah.
don't know if they can see it.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
can't see it
Okay, we
behind
should
them.
stand like this.
Stand like that, yeah.
It's right behind us. Yeah, there we go. There's
We're
a
talking
car.
about this beast.
Last time I downloaded, it was 177 real kilowatts.
So that is 237 British horsepower.
that's my face.
It's reversed around.
Reverse.
That.
No, man.
It's 240 British horsepower to be specific.
But that was before when I did meth. So maybe meth will take it to maybe
Probably.
like 2,000 horsepower, something around there. Really.
Maybe drop it down
Don't
to
go drop.
150.
Yeah. So this is my Mini Cooper. It's a 2013 Mini Cooper with an N18 engine, because that's really where it comes from. I got the Ultra Racing strut race done to it, so it makes it more stiffer, you know, like all that nice stuff. I got the cold air intake. I still have to redo it, so don't mind the job about it. I do have a intercooler, AirTech intercooler, so it's much bigger. It's like probably this big, like that bigger than the original one, which is like that big. So yeah, that's pretty sweet to keep the engine cool and nice. I got the oil catch can as well. The oil catch can isn't connected right now. It was connected, but then it was giving an issue with this thing, and it was bending the hose. So I have to fix when I fix the intake, I'll have to fix that as well. Also have water meth done to the car. It's the Snow Performance water meth. It actually makes the car run way smoother, way nicer, and way cooler. Snow Performance, yeah boy. And then come with me. Yeah, let me show you the tank of the water meth. Snow Performance, there we go. One take wonder boy. And it's pretty full. It looks like it's full. Let me dip. Yeah, it's full. See?
Wet.
Yeah, wet. Very wet.
Wet is good.
Wet is good. And I've got a piece of Zach with me. Who's shit. Zach is stuck. Piece of Zach. Looking
Like
green.
Jack.
And then since we're here, let me just show you the exhaust. I've got a full stainless steel exhaust done by Strada. It's a full straight pipe, but it still had the back box in, and then with the carbon tips, this carbon is pretty sweet. And then that's about all of the mods that I've done. That's will probably make 177 kilowatts. Without further ado, let's hop in the car and then
The young pool.
young pool. This is a second gear pool.
Alright.
Foot flat, let's go boys. Shut that power, bro. Wheel spun into third. Okay, way too close. Way too close.
Way too far.
Way too close.
120.
Now I'm scared of this corner. Happening here. There's like the gauge that's telling me it's past the bar. That's when it goes beep and it's irritating and stuff. The water temp, obviously, just to make sure, because this thing doesn't come with the water temperature. I don't know why the heck not. And the water meth thing, which just is pretty sweet. It tells me boost in PSI, and then this tells me boost in, I don't know, in KBA. I don't know what KBA is. But yeah.
pops are freaking awesome.
Some nice
Popcorn.
popcorns. Nice. But yeah, otherwise this car is really a nice daily. I mean, if you want to have like a nice reliable daily that you want to drive, and I'll say it's pretty fast as what it is. Stock given, like I think I might have ruined it to like with all the mods that I put. But yeah, I would recommend you buying this car. It's really sick.
Is a sick car. Would recommend.
Oh, I love those pops.
They're popping loud, man.
Yeah, I think it's the water method that makes it pop gang.
What gear are you now? Fourth?
Yeah, fourth.
Do a fourth gear pull.
Alright.
Or third gear, go drop it down to third.
Alright, let's go.
That's like jeez, like
Yeah,
this
so-
thing hauls.
Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, it's 177 kilowatts, but like,
Jeez.
to think about it, it weighs like less or more, just a little bit more than a ton.
Exactly, it's
So-
the whole power to weight thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like 1095 or something
Yeah,
like
something
that.
like that.
It's crazy
So-
light, and it makes decent power, and it's like reliable power. It's strong power. Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah,
I
thanks.
really like it.
Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please smash that subscribe button for me. I know we haven't been posting lately. I know work has been hectic. Growing up sucks.
It does.
But yeah, we'll try to post like a video every month. Once JP's car's back, we can do a nice review on it. If you guys don't know what it is, then I mean, follow us on Instagram, then you
Yep.
might know. But,
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we will also do a review on
Yeah.
that car. So it's
100%,
similar thing.
yeah.
Similar thing what we did here now. We'll
Yeah.
do with that car.
And then maybe not. There might be another quick shift call coming.
Another quick show. We're gonna have to make
maybe.
them work for that one. 500 subs. 500 subs, guys, and we'll
I
show
don't
you
know.
the
We
next
might
one.
just be like, boom, we got a Scooby STI. I don't know.
Not supposed to tell them.
Alright, yeah.
Okay. Well, stay tuned then, guys. Apparently, there's another quick shift car coming. I'll do like the shifter as well that you did. And boot delete.
Yep.
Very cool.
I think I'm the only person in South Africa that has this actually.
Only person.
Only one of one, boys.
But he's cool. Comment below how cool he is. He's a one-on-one guy. Only one. You had to say that. You couldn't just, be like, oh, it's nice, I like it. You had to say you're the only one. Just to prove how cool you are. Oh, it's working, it's working.
Yeah.
I think you're cool.
But yeah.
My car doesn't have that, so.
Your car doesn't have an engine.
You know, there's a line, and then there's where you don't cross, and then he's up here.